Alright guys, it's J4. Fix this light. Here it is. Got all the freaking light I need right now. It's J4 night. I'm gonna go out there and see if we can find some shad and then hopefully some catfish, some crappie, maybe some striper. I'm really aiming for striper right now, but I mean, who knows. Just went out there and see what it is. It's been cooled down a little bit, so hopefully it's a little better now, but I am a couple days late, so we'll see. I think I've gathered enough shad. Just gotta untangle my net. Okay, I got enough shad for a little bit, so I'm gonna troll one out kind of deep on the way there and hopefully get on a striper or something. I know they roll around. Alright, see how well this light works. Probably need to angle it up a little bit more. So finally got my shad. Let's see what it is. A little baby striper, that's what's hanging around, huh? I'm not looking for you, I'm looking for your mama. I have to roll out a little deeper. Alright, so I'm kind of just doing like a little drift here with the wind pushing me. So I got that shad on like a 1 ounce weight Carolina rig. 1 ounce is probably a bit much. There's like a line of I got a pretty good crappie, I think. Oh yeah, freaking stud of a crappie, man. Barely got him too. I'm just drifting, man. Just drifting. How big is this guy? Ouch. 12 inch. He seemed bigger than that, but hey, we'll take that. Alright. I'm drifting out like 38, 40 feet. Nice crappie. Alright, so been at it all morning. Caught one little baby striper. Dropped one big old blue cat. That's it. Not as lucky as I thought I'd be today. But hopefully that'll change here in a little bit. So I'm just gonna be sitting around for some catfish now. Here we go. Uh-oh, he's trying to go into the freaking dock. And he has. Get out of there. That nice blue cat. There we go. Alright, there we go. It's a nice, healthy, I think it's a channel cat actually. I'm gonna let him go though. Yeah, it's totally a channel cat. Bud, see ya. There he goes. Little guy. Guess they're just not far today. I have to lose my hook to this guy. You know what? I'm probably gonna keep this guy. I kind of gut hooked him. Put out part of his stomach just to get my hook out. Alright, we'll keep a little one. There's a small one again. Okay, it seems like they're gone, or they're not wanting to bite no more, so I think we'll find a new spot or just head on home, because it is J4 and it's about to get crazy out here. Okay, I'm not really seeing much of little stuff chasing the umbrella. Probably a bunch of perch. There's been a lot of those lately. And the boaters they have already begun. So I might not stay out here any longer. Ooh, what is that? I think I see a school of crappie. Or a tree. I hope that's not a tree. Yeah, I don't know if these crappie are gonna be willing to bite, man. It's summer and it's hot. It's daytime now. They're probably lockjawed. Oh, what do you know? I guess they weren't all lockjawed. Got a pretty nice one out of there. I think that's like my 15th or 16th crappie. Pretty good so far. Let's see how the rest want to bite. The catfish is on. And he's off. Unlucky. Dropped it. Oh, just kidding, he's still on. Get him out of the tree. He ain't that big. Seen some bigger ones roll around there, so I'm gonna get them. Alright, catfish on. I don't seem that big. Nope, ain't that big. Dumping my hook out and everything. Alright, so basically I'm just getting hooked on my catfish like crazy. Can't get the crappie to bite. There's a bunch of catfish hanging around here. They ain't even that big though. Pliers at. There they are. There you goofball. All right. There you go. Yeah, give him the reaction strike. It's a black crappie. Nice. Got it to work. Okay, as much as I'd like to keep messing with these crappie, it's getting real hot. Time to go. The catfish kind of disappeared too, so that's that. I had my fun. Oh wow, that wasn't even deep down there, no wonder. No wonder I didn't get no more bites on this. Thought it was down deep. Alright, either way, it's getting way too hot. Had a pretty decent day, so just going to call it now. Let's go home. Just dump all the shad. It won't be no good after a while. That'll turn 90 degrees in like 2 hours, so I ain't risking it. Last time we was out here almost died. I'm like, yeah, let's get on out of here. Overall, wasn't a bad day. It was pretty good. I was out here all day already, but I was hoping to try to get a striper or something. I got a little baby striper, but big mamas just are a little bit too smart, so it ain't gonna happen yet. Maybe I'll keep trying, but yeah, not a bad day. Let's go home, I guess, before I get burned out here. I'll see you on the next one.